Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Muhammad Nomani Asrafat from Bangladesh Rohingya refugee camp. Today I am here to talk about our Rohingya genocide Remembrance Day. I am a Rohingya and 25 August 2017 changed our lives forever. On that day, the Myanmar military launched a violent attack on our people. They killed our brother and sister and burned down our home. We had no choice but to flee with nothing, just fear, pain and tears. Over 700,000 of Rohingya escaped to Bangladesh, leaving behind our land, our memories and our loved ones. Today we live as refugees without citizenship, without freedom and still without justice. 25 August not just a date, it is a wound in our heart. We remember those we lost and we raise our voice for those who cannot speak. This is Rohingya Genocide Remembrance Day. We went to the world to hear our story, to stand with us and to demand justice. As a Rohingya, I never forget. I will keep speaking for Rohingya. Thank you so much for your time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.